Want to keep your home safe with the latest technology? These advanced home security gadgets give you peace of mind with smart, reliable, and powerful protection. From cameras to sensors to cutting-edge devices, they're built to keep you one step ahead. All links are in the description below. Keep an eye on everything that matters with this smart security camera. Its 3K lens delivers crystal clear images, while the wide aperture lens pulls in more light for sharper night views. With dual-band Wi-Fi and quick Bluetooth setup, you're connected in seconds. Pan, tilt, and auto tracking give you full 360 degrees coverage so nothing slips past. Smart AI detection alerts you to people, pets, or even a baby's cry, all without hidden subscription fees. Filming your world just got a whole lot smarter. This compact vlog camera captures in crisp 2.5K, giving your videos sharp detail and vibrant color. With AI detection, it tracks movement and keeps you in frame so you don't need a cameraman. The PTZ rotation lets you shoot from multiple angles without lifting a finger. Perfect for sports, vlogs, or everyday adventures. It's like having a studio in your pocket. Losing keys is a problem of the past. This smart padlock opens with just your fingerprint. No keys, no codes, no app required. It unlocks in just 0.2 seconds and can store up to 20 fingerprints. Perfect for family or personal use. The rugged metal body resists cutting, rust, and tampering, while also being waterproof for outdoor use. Recharge it by USB, and a single charge lasts for months of everyday security. Sometimes peace of mind comes down to one simple lock. This heavy-duty door reinforcement gives your home an extra layer of security that even a strong kick can't break through. It's easy to install with just a few screws, and simple to use with a quick slide of the latch. It also doubles as child-proofing, keeping little ones from opening the door unexpectedly. Strong, safe, and built to last. It looks like an ordinary light bulb, but it's actually a powerful security camera. Just screw it into a standard fixture, and you've got 2K HD video, motion-activated lighting, and even color night vision. A wide 160-degree view keeps watch over driveways, porches, or backyards. You can pan, tilt, and talk through the camera right from your phone. With built-in alarms and smart alerts, your home stays bright and protected around the clock. Think of it as a tiny guard you can carry anywhere. This door stop alarm wedges under any door and instantly blocks it from opening. But that's not all. If someone tries to force it, a 120 decibel siren blasts to scare them off. You can adjust its sensitivity to fit your needs, and it runs on a simple battery. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home safety and travel security. Losing keys is old news when your door locks itself. This smart deadbolt upgrades your existing lock in minutes. No drilling, no hassle. You can unlock with your phone, a passcode, or even your voice when paired with a smart hub. It automatically locks behind you and sends real-time notifications, so you'll never wonder if the door's secure. Durable, reliable, and built for modern living, it's security made simple. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the strongest. This heavy-duty door security bar wedges firmly in place, adding instant reinforcement to your front door, patio, or even hotel room when you travel. Adjustable and lightweight, it sets up in seconds but can withstand up to 400 pounds of force. It's peace of mind you can pack in your bag or keep by the door, because security should always be within reach. Looks like a classic novel on the outside, but open it up and you'll find a secret compartment inside. This clever book safe hides your valuables in plain sight, blending right in with the rest of your shelf. Cash, jewelry, passports, or cards all stay tucked away and protected by a combination lock. It's portable, discreet, and makes your belongings almost impossible to spot. Sometimes the best hiding place is the most ordinary one. Camping in the wild? Protecting your property? This trip alarm has your back. An 80-foot Kevlar wire sets up a secure perimeter, and if anyone or anything crosses it, a 129 decibel siren instantly blasts. That's loud enough to scare off intruders or even wildlife. It recharges by solar or USB, so you're never left unprotected. Built tough and weatherproof, it keeps watch in rain, dust, or shine. Sometimes the best defense is a loud one. These compact door and window alarms let out an ear-piercing blast the moment a sensor is triggered, instantly alerting you to intruders. You can switch between alarm or simple chime modes, making them just as useful for keeping track of kids or elderly family members. Installation takes seconds. Just stick and switch on. With long battery life, they'll guard your home day and night without fuss. Sometimes the simplest tools give the biggest peace of mind. This portable door jammer slides under almost any inward opening door and locks it firmly in place. The triangular design pushes force straight into the ground, so even heavy pressure can't break through. Setup takes seconds with no drilling or damage, and it's just as easy to release. Keep an eye on what matters. No matter where you are, this smart indoor camera pans, tilts, and even tracks motion automatically, so your baby, pet, or loved one is always in view. It records in crisp HD and zooms in ×6 for extra detail. Talk through it, hear what's happening, or shut it off with one tap for total privacy. Plus, all your footage stays local, no subscriptions needed. Know the moment someone steps onto your property. This wireless driveway alarm covers up to half a mile, making it perfect for large yards, gates, or garages. Its weather-resistant sensors detect motion from up to 50 feet away, while filtering out false alerts from wind or small animals. Setup takes just minutes. Plug in the receiver, place the sensors, and you're protected. Your doorbell deserves some backup too. This heavy-duty metal mount locks your video doorbell securely in place so it can't be stolen. The clever bracket also lets you tilt the camera anywhere from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. Setup is quick with the included tools. No special skills needed. Strong, adjustable, and reliable. It's protection for both your door and your doorbell. Keys are so last century. This smart doorknob unlocks with a fingerprint, a passcode, or even app control. No more fumbling at the door. Recognition is lightning fast, opening in just a second. You can add up to 100 fingerprints and 50 codes, making it perfect for family, roommates, or office use. And if the batteries ever run low, a quick USB charge keeps you from getting locked out. It may be tiny, but it's powerful. This mini Wi-Fi camera records in full 1080p HD and keeps watch over your home, car, or loved ones without drawing attention. With night vision, it captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Motion detection sends instant alerts straight to your phone, so you're always in the loop. Setup is simple. Just connect, place it, and let it do the watching for you. Want a heads up before anyone even reaches your door? This solar-powered driveway alarm spots movement from up to half a mile away and sends instant alerts straight to your phone. Pair it with your security cameras to see what's happening in real time. Its smart sensor filters out false alarms, so you only get notified when it really matters. Weatherproof and rechargeable, it keeps watch day and night without fail. Meet the robot that makes home feel a little more futuristic. This household helper can patrol your rooms, check on pets, and even alert you if something unusual is happening. You can send it anywhere with a tap, and its smart navigation keeps it moving smoothly around obstacles. When it's not needed, it stays nearby, ready to respond. With two-way talk, entertainment, reminders, and more, it's like having Alexa on wheels. Why settle for one view when you can have two at once? This smart security camera gives you dual lenses, one that pans and tilts to track movement, and another that keeps a steady eye on what matters most. You get crisp 2K video, clear even at night thanks to color night vision. Built-in spotlights and a loud siren add extra protection. Indoors or outdoors, it covers every corner with ease. Keys gone missing again? Not anymore. This slim Bluetooth tracker links with your iPhone and instantly shows you where your stuff is. If it's nearby, it plays a loud beep so you can hear it under cushions or blankets. Too far away, the map in the app guides you straight to it. Waterproof, durable, and with a battery that lasts years. It's the tiny card that saves you from big headaches. The best hiding spot is the one nobody notices. This clever safe looks just like a standard electrical outlet, but behind the plate is a hidden metal box for your valuables. It installs easily between wall studs and opens with a simple key. With up to 50 cubic inches of space, it's perfect for cash, jewelry, or small keepsakes. To outsiders, it's just an outlet, but for you, it's peace of mind in plain sight. Keep your home safe and well lit with this floodlight security camera that combines power and clarity. Its dual lens setup gives you a full 180 degrees panoramic view in sharp 2K detail, while the 3000 lumen lights instantly brighten your space at the first sign of motion. Add in color night vision, two-way audio, and a built-in siren, and you've got a strong deterrent that helps protect your driveway, yard, or entryway day and night. Tired of little hands getting into places they shouldn't? This smart cabinet lock blends right into your furniture, keeping curious kids and nosy guests out of drawers and cupboards. It opens via app, RFID, or even voice commands, no keys or drilling required. Stick it on, sync it up, and enjoy the extra peace of mind. Perfect for baby-proofing or securing sensitive items discreetly. Think of this as a little rolling buddy that keeps an eye on your home. The camera streams in crisp 2.5K resolution even at night, so nothing escapes its view. You can talk through it, listen back, and even calm a barking pup with a pre-recorded message in your own voice. It zips smoothly around corners on wheels, reaching spots a fixed camera can't. Plus, it doubles as storage for pet snacks. Your keys are officially outdated. This smart lock gives you 7 ways to unlock, fingerprint, code, app, auto unlock, and more. Control it from anywhere, share access with family, and check who comes and goes in real time. It even locks itself when you leave and unlocks as you arrive. Built tough, weatherproof, and Alexa ready, it's security that feels effortless. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches your home when you can't. It rolls around on wheels, giving you a clear 2K view of every corner straight from your phone. The cute design even self-corrects if it gets tipped over. You can press a button to call and talk through its built-in speaker, making it feel like you're right there. With night vision, motion detection, and long battery life, it never misses a moment.